Managing projects across medical, residential, industrial, and commercial sectors was slowing Appselec down. Tracking costs, managing schedules, and coordinating teams felt impossible with outdated systems. Missed deadlines and scattered data created inefficiencies across the company. Appselec reached out to Sumato Solutions to find a better way. We built a custom web application that streamlined financial workflows. With Dakonex, job costing and project management became faster and more accurate. Now every project is tracked in real time with fewer manual errors. Approvals are faster, and teams can focus on results instead of spreadsheets. Appselec, powered by Sumato Solutions, transformed operations into a seamless experience. Helping teams work smarter, complete projects faster, and drive business growth.